me tell you that as we all know that MS Excel is capable of doing all kind of mathematical operations, right? है ना? वो हर तरह का mathematical operations कर सकता है. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे कर सकते हैं. It can do all other functions also, like statistical, text functions. We have array functions, and there are so many functions that we can perform in MS Excel. But right now, what we are going to do, we are going to learn about some mathematical things. So by default, we have some basic things that we also do in our daily life. Like if you want to add these two numbers, okay. So how will you add? So in Excel, what we do, we start with a equals to symbol. Whenever we are going to write any function or a formula, what we will do, we will start with a equals to symbol. Okay, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
See, we will start with an equals to symbol, and then what we will do, we will add two numbers. Like here it is 30 and 10, so we will write 30 plus, if you want to add, then 10. समझ में आया? And then we will press enter. So as soon as we will press enter, it will just add both the numbers. यहाँ तक clear है फंडा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now यहाँ पे अगर फंडा क्लियर है तो अब एक चीज यहाँ पे देखते हैं. तो सिमिलरली अगर मैं इस 30 को चेंज कर देता हूँ लाइक 40 में, तो व्हाट विल हैपन नाउ?
आंसर गलत हो जाएगा.
आंसर गलत हो जाएगा, राइट? ये आंसर ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज नहीं होगा? डोंट नो. एनीबॉडी नो? ओके. तो जैसे मैं 40 को चेंज करता हूँ, जैसे कि पूजा ने कहा, आंसर गलत हो जाएगा, करेक्ट है ना?
Yes, sir.
एंड ऐसा क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि वी एड जस्ट 30 एंड 10, करेक्ट. बट व्हाट इफ हम चाहते हैं क्या कि इफ आई एम चेंजिंग द वैल्यूज इन द सेल, देन द सम शुड आल्सो अपडेट इटसेल्फ, करेक्ट? So in that case, rather than adding the values, what we will add the cell address. समझ में आया? Is it clear? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So rather than adding the values, what we will do, we will add the cell addresses. तो अब अगर मैं प्लस करता हूँ तो see what is happening. Now अब ये 50 कर दिया. अब अगर मैं इसको 30 चेंज करता है तो it is updating itself. अब इसको अगर मैं 20 करता है तो it is updating itself. Why? Because it is not adding the values, it is adding the values on the cell. So whatever the values will be on the cell, it will show the result accordingly. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Done है? Clear है फंडा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, we can do the subtraction also. So for that also, I'll just use this values. This into this. अब डिवाइड भी अगर करना है तो this divided का सिंबल देखो ऐसा होता है, ठीक है? This is a backslash, ठीक है? तो we will use this backslash and then ऐसे यूज करेंगे, clear? And multiplication के लिए we will use a star symbol. Correct? यहाँ तक तो clear है ना फंडा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if this is clear, अब हम लोग जरा सा यहाँ पे काम करते हैं. अब देखो, अब हम लोग एक मोबाइल कैलकुलेटर बनाते हैं. आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, करेक्ट? इधर. नाउ इमेजिन अ सिचुएशन लाइक वी गेट 100 free minutes to talk, ठीक है? एंड पूजा what she consumes 200 minutes while talking, ठीक है? समझ में आया? ये समझ में आया नहीं आया? हम लोग एक मोबाइल का कैलकुलेटर निकाल रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो मोबाइल में क्या है? वी हैव 100 minutes free included. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what Pooja did, Pooja consumes 200 minutes to talk, and cost per minute is 1 rupees. So how to find the total cost of the bill? What will be the formula?
Minus free minutes, sir.
Very good. So estimated
Into 1.
minus free minutes into cost per minute,
Cost per
correct?
minute.
तो जैसे मैं एंटर करता है, it is correct, right? अब आंसर सही है ना? Okay, now let's do the same thing with the messages also. Like if I am having 100 free messages and Pooja, what did she message? 200 messages, and the cost per message is 2 rupees. So what will be the formula? Same formula?
Yes, sir. Same formula.
Same formula. तो चलो देखते हैं. Equals to estimated minus free into 2. Correct? और जैसे मैं यहाँ पे एंटर प्रेस करता हूँ, यहाँ पे मेरे को तो 0 आ जा रहा है. Why? अयो, yes, अयो. Tell me.
Sir, 0 into 2, 0, sir.
0 into 2, 0. मैं 0 का into 2 किया. See, what is my formula? I subtracted this estimated message from the free messages into cost per message, and the answer is 0 now.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So 100 into 2 क्या हो जाएगा? 200. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And 200 minus 200 will be 0. So agar mujhe first of all, if I want to perform the minus wala operation, then I need to put it in the bracket, and then if I enter, it will give the correct answer. Samajh mein aaya? Here also the formula is run, but due to the values, it is giving the correct answer. Samajh mein aaya?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So always keep in mind that Excel also follows the BODMAS rule. Now what will the total cost? So total cost will be this one plus this one. Press enter. Aa gaya values, right? Now see, these are the values which are used in BODMAS here. Bracket, we will use the small brackets only, no middle bracket, no square bracket. Okay, only these brackets. This is order. Can anybody tell me what is order? Then divide, multiplication, addition, subtraction. But what is order? Off hota hai
It's
na aap log?
upper one, sir.
What is upper one?
2 power 2, like that.
Yes, very good. 2 power 2. So if we do 2 caret 2, then what will be the result then?
4.
Correct. 4. समझ में आया? ठीक है? This is the basic thing in Excel. If you learn about this basic, then you are done with the formulas. ये समझ में आ गया ना? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. अब अगर ये समझ में आ गया, let's move to some other topic before moving to the functions, and that is cell reference, which I have left. Open which? Okay, fine. Now, could you see this values here? यहाँ पे दिख रहा है ना आपको? ठीक है? This is the month, different months, January, February, March, April, May, and total revenue and total expense. Now, what I need to do? I need to find the net income. So, what will be the net income? I need to add the total revenue with the total expense. Correct? है ना? And then I'll press enter. ये ठीक है ना? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. Now, what? देखो, अब यहाँ पे क्या है? I'm having the same thing here also that I need to add. So again and again, I don't need to write the formula. What I can do is just ये जो छोटा वाला box याद है? Remember this small box here?
Yes, sir.
है ना? Just drag it. So when you will drag it, what it will do? It will just make a relative reference. That
Relative
means अब अगर ये इन दोनों को ऐड कर रहा है, तो ये किसको ऐड करेगा? इन दोनों को ऐड करेगा. Correct? Similarly,
Yes,
this
sir.
will add.
Yes, sir.
So automatically the relation will be created. If you want to see what you can do, see, go to this formula and click on this show formula option. ठीक है? यहाँ पे देखो show formula का option है. Click on this show formula का option. So when you will click on this show formula option, rather than the values, it will show the formula that you have used. दिख रहा है आपको? See,
Yes, sir.
this blue color and this red color. See, now this blue color, this red, blue, 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 similarly, and so on. ये तो clear है ना आपको?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's do the same thing here. Now I am having the max score here. What I want to do, I want to find the percentage. Now what is the formula for the percentage? Total marks divided by full marks into 100. Correct? This is the percentage का formula होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now, sorry, within brackets. Okay, let's do in the brackets also. अब ठीक है? Correct है ना answer? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just wait for your yes or no. Let me tell you. अब यहाँ पे देखो. Now if I'm going to drag this, आंसर करेक्ट आ रहा है?
हाँ, sir.
आ रहा है करेक्ट? सोच के बताओ. Just watch and then speak.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then how you say yes? Just because it is a computer, you said yes, huh? Don't forget that computer is the most dumbest machine in this world. Okay. It completely depends on your intelligence. So tell me, why this answer is wrong now?
Percentage will be under 100, sir.
I know. See, is my formula correct? Percentage क्या होता है? Obtained marks divided by full marks into 100. So what I did, obtained marks divided by full marks into 100, ना?
Hmm.
Enter press किया, correct तो आ रहा है. But while I'm dragging, the answer is wrong, right? That relative reference is not working. Now you tell me why. जो भी बोलेगा, I will ask Shamsa to give him or her a chocolate.
సార్
Huh?
నేను తెలుగులో చెప్పచ్చా?
I don't understand Telugu. Huh?
ఓకే
You say somebody will translate it.
ఓకే సార్ we are taking B4 and B3 నా సార్.
Yes.
B4 is first and B3 is second.
Correct.
అలాగే 80 sorry B5 and B4 will taken next na sir.
B5 and B4. Very good. correct answer. Because this is what is happening. This is the relative reference is happening here. So when you see the formula, if this thing ये इसको डिवाइड कर रहा तो ये रिलेटिवली ड्रैग करके इसको भी तो कर रहा है ना, समझ रहे हो? दिख रहा है? Could you see this? This 80 is dividing with 70. Very good. So what was her name? That girl name जिसका भी आंसर दिया? Krishnasari. Krishnasari?
Yes, sir.
Krishnasri. Krishnasri.
Yes, sir.
Krishnasri. Okay. What is K here?
ఏమంటారు హోమ్ నేమ్ సార్.
Okay. K Krishnasari. Okay. Nice. Krishnasri. Sorry. Nice name. Okay. Fine. तो ये समझ में आया आपको? ठीक है? Why this was happening? है ना?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now what
sir.
is the solution then? Now what is the solution here?
Removing B4 divided by 100 sir.
B4 को I will either divide with 100. ठीक है? I will 100 then I will drag it. Correct? है ना?
Yeah.
Or what if I will just, you want to use this one only. In this case, I need to fix this one, okay, so that this value never changes, correct?
Yes, sir.
So for fixing this value, what we need to do is, we need to put a dollar symbol in front of this rows and column values. समझ में आया? So when you will put the dollar symbol in front of the column value and the row value, what will happen? It will just fix it. समझ में आया? Now see. अब देख रहे हो? This one is fixed. Correct? Rest are changing. है ना?
Yes sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes. Clear sir.
पक्का? Everybody? या फिर से बताओ? शनि शंकर?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pooja?
Clear, sir.
Krishnasri? Osman?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now, किसी को कुछ पूछना है? If anybody want to ask, they can ask. This is very important. Let me tell you, because this is known as absolute reference, and this we are going to use in every function, almost in every function. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. If it is okay, then let me show you something else. Now, as you could see, we have two values here, like B3. है ना? One is the column name and one is the row name, correct?
Yes, sir.
Here, what we can do, we can put a dollar symbol in front of the row name also and the column name also. In this case, what will happen? The column will also be fixed and the row will also be fixed. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
And if we do like this, like B करते हैं, $3 करते हैं, in this case, what will happen? The column will change, but the row will be fixed. समझ में आया? Similarly, if I put a dollar symbol in front of B, not in front of 3, now in this case, the column will be fixed and the row will be not fixed. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? These are the three things that we can perform. If you want to fix both the things, and you have fixed a cell, in this case, I just need to put the dollar symbol in front of both the things. If we just need to fix the column, then we will put the dollar symbol in front of the column, not in front of the row. But if we want to fix the row only, then we'll put a dollar symbol in front of the row. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? इसका एक shortcut भी होता है, ठीक है? See how it will happen. Now, if I'm putting this dollar symbol here, like असलम, तो यहाँ पे देखो असलम आ जा रहा है ना, correct? ये समझ में आया? What is happening here? See, equals to this A4. तो आ गया ना, ठीक है? असलम.
So,
Now see what is happening. If I'm just dragging this right now, see what is happening. Aslam ka Deepak aa gaya, and if I'm dragging this way, what is happening? Simple values, similar values are correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, see what I'm going to do. Now this time, I'm just going to fix this column, okay, not the row. Or enter press karte. Now see what will happen. And a column fixed here. If I'm dragging this, okay, but अगर मैं इधर की ओर drag कर रहा हूँ, तो see what is happening. समझ में आया? What happened?
Yes, sir.
Just because the column is fixed, so same values we will get here. ठीक है? अब चलो. Now let us do something else. Now this time what I will do, I will just fix the row now, not the column. और enter press करते हैं. See. अब अगर मैं इधर की ओर drag कर रहा हूँ, तो see it is changing. But if I'm dragging downwards, it will be the same. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's now up to you what you want to do. You want to fix either the column or the row. Now, if I want to fix both, now see, I am fixing both. So what will happen? Everywhere, Aslam will be there. Okay, because we have fixed a cell. Okay. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the shortcut is F4 on your keyboard. You have F1, F2, F3, F4, right? So
Yes,
when you will
sir.
press F4, up F4 press karo and see what will happen. First of all, it will just block all the both the column and the row. Then if you again press F4, then it will just row, then again F4, and then again F4. So when you will keep on pressing F4, the value will change. Okay? बात समझ में? So this is the shortcut key for the same. If you forget the shortcut key, then do one thing, just put directly the dollar symbol. Okay? चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If this is clear, now let's move to the mixed reference or a topic. Now, here, you just need to answer me. Okay? Here, what I need to do is, I just need to multiply here 1 into 10. Okay? 1 मेरे को 10 से into करना. यहाँ पे किससे into करना? 2 को into करना 10 से. Similarly here, 3 को into करना 10 से. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे 1 को into करना किससे? 20 से. यहाँ पे 2 को into करना 20 से. ये मैट्रिक्स में होता है ना? So यहाँ पे 3 को into करना 20 से and so on. So what I need to do is I need to write a single formula here in this cell and then I will drag it and पूरा solution मेरे को मिल जाना चाहिए. Now you have to tell me the solution. कैसे करोगे आप? Anybody? Because if I'm directly multiplying this thing, see 1 अगर मैं इसको कर रहा हूँ 10 के साथ, so what is happening? See, value आ रहा है, but if I'm dragging this, see what is happening. Answer गड़बड़ है ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so you tell me how to write the formula then. This is very important. होमवर्क में बना के दोगे?
आएगा तो.
आएगा तो हाँ. Anybody else? Is Soumya absent today?
सर इक्वल टू सम लगा के करते हैं सर.
मैं सम तो बताया नहीं तो मैं वो पूछूंगा क्यों? ये बताओ पहले. वैसे भी सम नहीं करना है, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
Rows into columns, sir.
Rows into columns. So tell me the formula, no? What I need to write here? Like as you could see, the value of this one is C5. Sorry, yes, C5, and this one is B6. So tell me what I need to write here.
Into
Huh? Nice.
$C5 into $6.
Yeah, please tell me.
$C5 into $6.
Dollar C5
$C6
into dollar
C6.
C6 or B6.
Oh yeah, B6. Sorry.
B6. Okay. So I did this. So it is giving me just 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. See? Abhirama, you are here.
So dollar is
Don't look. I'll tell you something. Don't कहते हैं ना in Hindi we do it as a तुक्का कहते हैं. What I say in Telugu. Don't just क्या कहते हैं आइडिया मत लगाओ. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? Think about the logic. Now, shall I explain now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, it's very easy. Very easy. Abhirama is quite near at that. So here, in this case, what is happening? The column number is what? Changing, right? C D ban raha hai, D E ban raha hai na? But the row is fixed, correct? Hai na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Similarly, here what is happening? The row is fixed, but the column is changing. So the column is fixed, but the row is changing, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, इस केस में हम क्या करेंगे? I need to fix the column. So dollar B and what? 6. Dollar B and 6. चलेगा? Into, in this case, what we are going to do? I need to fix the row, not the column. So C dollar what? 5.
6.
5.
5, no? This is 5. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
अब अगर मैं एंटर करता तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, द कॉलम विल चेंज, द रो विल बी फिक्स्ड एंड हियर द रो विल बी चेंज, कॉलम विल बी फिक्स्ड। अब देखो हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you once again repeat the dollar placement, sir?
श्योर
At F4 वाला key, sir.
F4 वाला की, ओके
Yes,
सी,
sir. Then it will be.
इसको मैंने सिलेक्ट किया, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
What I need to fix? I need to fix the row here. So I'll press F4. तो पहले तो दोनों को फिक्स कर, again I will press F4. So now it is okay, correct?
Yes, sir.
Multiply this one, again F4, no, again F4, no, again F4. This one is correct, leave it. Done. ठीक है? You have to press F4 again and again for the desired value, ठीक है? समझ में आया? Or shall I tell you once again?
Dollar placement you can say.
Dollar placement is very simple. See, डॉलर का क्या है ना, here what I need to fix, I need to fix the row, right? ये मेरा 1 2 3 4 5 यहीं पे रहना चाहिए ना,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? यहाँ पे मेरा क्या है, ये फिक्स होना चाहिए, बट मेरा कॉलम चेंज हो सकता है यहाँ पे, बिकॉज ये इधर से इधर जाएगा, इधर से इधर जाएगा, ये इधर से इधर जाएगा, 1 to 2 जाएगा, 2 से 3 जाएगा, करेक्ट?
Okay, sir.
तो कॉलम चेंज हो रहा है ना यहाँ पे,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? रो तो मेरा फिक्स है, व्हाई? दिस इज बिकॉज 5 पे ही है, 1 2 3 4 5 on the same row. So here what I need to fix, I need to fix the row. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly here in this case what is happening, the column will be fixed. Why? क्योंकि ये मेरा चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए, ये वाला जो है 10 20 30 40 50 ही मेरे को करना है. So in this case what is changing, the row is changing but the column is fixed, so I will put a dollar symbol in front of the column. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
अब हम ऐसे करते हैं, अब हो गया. See, if I do a symbol also तभी वो काम करेगा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
If you want to see the formula also, let's go to the show formula पे देखो आप यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है,
Okay, sir.
दिख रहा है आपको? देखो in this case the 5 is fixed, right?
Yes, sir.
देखो यहाँ पे C D change हो गया but the 5 is same, E हो गया but the 5 is same, and here B is same everywhere but the row number is changing, correct?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
समझ में आई बात?
Yes, sir.
So this is the actual thing. इसको जरा सा प्रैक्टिस करना, ठीक है? समझ में
Yes, sir.
आया?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
want to put this exercise file also in the drive? हेलो,
Sir.
ये वाला फाइल भी मैं डाल दूं क्या उस एक्सरसाइज फाइल को वहां पे ड्राइव में?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर।
Yes, sir.
ओके, मैं इसे भी डाल दूं, ठीक है? So I'm done with today's class. From the next day, let me show you what I'm going to teach you. We will start with so many functions. देख रहे हो यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So I have created exercise files for each and everything. So हम लोग इसको देखेंगे, ठीक है? समझ में आई बात?
Yes, sir.
Done, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ये वाला file भी I will share and we will practice it every day. Every day we are going to learn approx 10 to 20 functions. It depends on your and my ability. Not ability, speed we can say. ठीक है? Ability तो अलग चीज हो गया. I'll tell about the speed. किस speed से हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll be sharing these both files on the drive. You can save it. तो चलो. See you in the next class then. ठीक है?